Okay, fine. Yes, very good morning to all of you. Today I will take your English grammar class and it will be a revision class, okay? And I will take the chapter number 26. Chapter number 26, conjunctions. Chapter number 26, conjunctions, okay? This is the revision class. No one will open your book. I will just tell you the answers. You will try to tell me the answers through the chat box. Okay. Yes, good morning. Page number 75. B part number 1. I am just dictating number 1, that is, you can open your book, don't worry, you can open your book and look at the exercises. Ravi is fond of fruits and green vegetables. So can you tell me here, Ravi is fond of fruits and green vegetables, the conjunction is, yes, question number 1, the answer will be, yes, Anushka, Daksh, Aniruddha, good. Very good. And the other ones, I want to see answers from all of you. Divyanka, correct. And the other ones, I want to see, yes, Oishi. So, first one, Ravi is fond of fruits and vegetables. Here the conjunction is and. Number 2, Ram Kumar is poor but honest. Ram Kumar is poor but honest. Yes. So here the conjunction is but, right? But. Number 3. Is Ruchi a good dancer or a good singer? Right? Very good. Okay, right, Divyanka, Anushka, Arindam, correct. All of you are answering correct. Or. Number 3, or. Number 4, everybody loves Rahman. Everybody loves Rahman because he is sincere. Yes, Aniruddha, Daksh, right, Anushka. So 4 will be, yes, Divyanka, because. Number 5, Rekha is honest and hardworking. Yes, Rekha is honest and hardworking. Yes, here the conjunction is and. Rekha is honest and hardworking. Here the conjunction is and. Right, all of you. Number 6, keep quiet or go away. Keep quiet or go away. Here, yes, all of you are correct. Very good. I can see that all of you are giving correct answers. Right. Number 7. He ran fast but missed the train. He ran fast. Yes. But. But is the conjunction here. Number 8. Yes. Very good, all of you. Number 8. She carried an umbrella because it was hot. Right? Very good. Anushka, Aniruddha, Anushri, Oishi. Yes, because she carried an umbrella because. Right. Number 9. We will take a bus or a taxi. We will take a bus or a taxi. The conjunction is here. Yes, or. Very good. And number 10. She was tired but she went on working. Right. But. She was tired but she went on working. Very good. Okay, so B part is done. Now let's come to the C part. So will I erase the board? So I'm erasing the board. Okay. Okay, all of you let me know. I'm erasing the board now. Yes, Afreen. Good. Now come to the C part. Here it is saying fill in the blank with and or but, because number 1, both Sam dash John are in the team. So here one will be right, and good. Both Sam and John are in the team. Number 2, she is smart, kind, dash intelligent. Okay, Anushka, right. So and, again, and. She is smart, kind and intelligent. Number 3, tea is hot, dash ice cream is cold. Just tell me the answers by the numbering, okay? Or else I will not be understanding it. Just tell me the answer. If you are saying the answer of number 2, just write the number and then tell me the answer, okay? Okay, Divyanka, you have done good. All the page, okay. Number 3, that is but. Number 4, is our new teacher old, dash is she young. Yes, number 4, yes Aniruddha, or. Number 5, Mukesh is intelligent, dash careless. Mukesh is intelligent, yes, but careless. Number 6, we cannot eat these mangoes, dash they are sour. We cannot eat these mangoes, dash they are sour. Yes, number 6 is because. Number 7, stop at the zebra crossing, dash you will be fined. Yes, number 7, okay, Arindam, right. Yes, number 8 will be or. Sorry, number 7. Number 7, stop at the zebra crossing, dash you will be fined. Yes, or. And number 8, he is working hard, dash his examinations begin tomorrow. What about but, dear Antika, about which number you are saying? Can it be but? If you are saying about 7, no, it won't be but. Okay? No. No. Stop at the zebra crossing or you will be fined. This is more appropriate. Number 8. So let's do the number 8. He is working hard. It is because. I have seen you have given correct answers. Because. Okay? Yes, number 8 is because. So, I'm erasing the board and turn to the next page, page number 76. Page number 76, I'm erasing the board. Okay? Page number 76, that is E part. Afrin, what is this is sending, dear? Afrin, do not send these pictures. You can send your books pictures, but not these, okay? Just be careful. Now let's do the E part. Here it is saying, tick the conjunctions that can be used to join these sentences. Okay, Anushka, you have sent all these. Okay, fine. I'm just doing one by one. We cannot go out, dash, it is, we cannot go out, it is raining. So here, yes, number 1, because will be the correct option. Number 2, he is old, he is strong. Yes, but he is old, he is strong. Here the correct option is but. Yes. Number 3, he is old, he is weak. He is old, he is weak. It is stating about the same meaning. So it will be the correct option will be and. Right? He is old and he is weak. Number 4, we rang the bell, nobody opened the door. Number 4, we rang the bell, nobody opened the door. Yes, but nobody opened the door. Number 5, is this question easy? Is it difficult? Yes, number 5 will be or. Correct, all of you. Number 6, take this cup of tea quickly, it will get cold. Take this cup of tea quickly. Yes, number 6 also will be or. And number 7, you should go to a doctor, you have a fever. Yes, number 7 will be because. The correct option is because. Okay, so today I have discussed the part conjunctions. Now just say yes, present, give your present. Now all of you give your present and no one will leave until I finish, okay? Now please all of you give your present, no one will leave until I finish taking present. Anshika Bhagat, Anushka Kumari, Nushri, Das, Anushka, Goswami, Okay, I have taken your present. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.